Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a plushy hedgehog toy. For this tutorial, I'm not using any sewing like we usually do with felt toys. Instead, I'll be using glue. Personally, I love using glue because it's way faster to finish compared to stitching. So this is the printed image of the hedgehog. I've included the PDF file in your purchase package so you can just print it out yourself. Soldering iron at 350 degrees Celsius. If you're new to using a soldering iron, be careful. Since the stencil is made of paper, you shouldn't stop midway while cutting. If you pause, the heat might one spiny back, 2 whole body, 2 eyes, 2 blush circles, 1 black nose, and 1 brown snout. The front body piece on top. Over stuff, just enough to make it puff a little and look plushy. Once it feels right, feel free to reach out to me via DM if you need more info or help. I'd be so happy to assist you.